Okay, last few class we are discussing unit and measurement, dimension analysis, error analysis, all the areas. So what is units? What is the uses of units? Fundamental units, relative units, derived units, system of units, and the prefix and the suffix with the multiple and the submultiple, system, MKA system, FA system, CGA system, some special units, dimension analysis, dimension of physical quantity, dimension formula, dimension equation. Okay, this is somewhat different now. Same, the quantity having the same dimension formula. See here, frequency, angular velocity, disintegration constant, velocity gradient, everything I have a same dimension formula. Okay, like that, more than 15 it is there. We can read. Principle of homogeneity completed. Application of dimension analysis to check the accuracy of given physical relation. To derive the physical relation, significant figures or significant digit, rules. The next one, order of magnitude, error measurement, mean absolute error, relative error, percentage error, grouping of error, error in sum, error in division, and power, product. So all in this area we completed now. Okay. In your NCERT book, all the areas we completed. Now your time, just read 5 minutes. Everyone take your NCERT book, read all the line, all the concept. If you NCERT book not there means in this PDF, download and read 5 minutes. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. After we go for one more topic. Do it fast. Okay. Ready? Any other doubt? Will you go for new topic? A very basic, all the formulas. You should remember all the formulas, error analysis, dimension analysis, and unit conversion formula, all the formula first. Okay, everyone know the formula means we go for next one. Okay. Now we'll study instrumental studies now. Anybody saw in this instrument anywhere? My screen, it is visible. Hello?
Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is screw gauge. Okay, we are using for measurement purpose. See here, in this inside one small line, it is this is main scale, this is circular scale, and a rotation arch. This is a rotation purpose. We are adjusting with it. I will place here one small piece of wire or any small piece. Okay, what is the size? Measuring measuring purpose, we are using screw gauge. Main scale. This is starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is there. Circular scale, 100 division it is there. Division means 100 lines. 70, 80, 90 like that, 100 lines it is there. Between I will place one wire. So this is screw gauge. The next one, vernier caliper. See here. So this is also based on measurement only. This is different. Related in this topic only now we'll discuss main scale, and this is the vernier scale. Okay, small values it is there. We'll discuss one by one. We'll finish this one first way, screw gauge. After we go for vernier. My screen, it is not visible, I think so.
So now it is not visible, sir.
Wait 1 minute. Connectivity. Okay, screw gauge. This one. It is there in our lab. So after we'll go for lab, I will show you a video also, lab video. After that one, first you want to understand the concept. Listen. The first one page. The distance moved by the screw is called pitch. Okay, pitch means it is like a rotation knob. Okay, when I'm rotating this one, it will move inside. The adjustment it is there. In this adjustment purpose, we want to find when the rotate the distance moved by the screw is called pitch of the screw. So next one, least count. So least count formula, pitch divided by number of division on a circular scale. Note the formulas. I will show you the videos after next class. First, I take a notes. So this is the observation point of view. Next, we go for the practical point of view. Okay. So least count, pitch divided by number of division on circular scale. Circular scale means this one. 70, 80, 90, 100. So 100 scale also there, 50 scale also there. Okay. Now, this is 100 scale, pitch, it is considered to 1. So 1 divided by 100. The least count of the screw gauge, it is a 0.01 mm. In centimeter, 0.001 centimeter. Okay. In case, so this is the circular scale reading 100. 50 it is there. Circular scale reading 50 it is there. Pitch value 0.5 and circular scale value 50. Then you will get 0.01 mm, that is the least count. Centimeter format 0.001 centimeter. Okay, pitch, least count, two formulas, please note it. Okay, so next one, error, zero error, positive error. Next one, negative error, two things it is there. Okay, see the diagram. Zero error means main scale reading and so this is main scale. In this point it is there, no? In this line and the circular scale line, zero, both also coincide same place means it is zero error. Otherwise, no error. Main scale 0, circular scale 0. It is down, no? Below the 0. See here. This is main scale. This is circular scale 0. Circular scale 0 below. Then it is the positive error. Refer the diagram. Zero error, positive error, negative error. So negative error means main scale. This is the 0. Circular scale reading above. See there 0, it is a above. Okay. So it is negative 0 error or negative error. See the diagram. In this line mark it is a no. In this line mark. Now below 0 it is a. This is positive error. Above 0 it is a, in case it is negative error. But in this 0 and in the circular scale 0, both also same point means it is a 0 error. There is no error in the instrument. Okay, everyone draw the diagram. 0 error, positive error, negative error. Listen, the next one, the negative 0 error. So how to measure the negative 0 error means? So this is negative. See the main scale reading and circular scale reading. Both also coincide at 95. It is a 100 scale division. So 100 minus 95 into least count. So least count of screw gauge now only we discuss 0.001 centimeter. So the difference 5 into 0.001 means you will get 0.005 centimeter. So finding the 0 error. Just note in this formula enough. Diagram, negative 0 error below, you can write the 0 error 100 minus 95 into least count. The least count of screw gauge 0.001 centimeter. Okay, next one. Finding the positive error. Okay, positive error means, see in this diagram, the positive error value 0, no, this is 1, this is 2. Circular scale reading value 2. So 2 into least count. 2 into least count. 2 into least count value 0.001 centimeter. then you will get 0.002 centimeter. This is corrected value or corrected reading. So definitely they are asking question mark. When you go for practical Viva time, they will give in this instrument in your hand. So how to find least count? What is least count? What is circular scale division? What is main scale reading? And they will give your pen also. Find the thickness of the pen. What is the size of the pen? Like that using in this instrument. Positive error 2 into least count. Negative error 100 minus 95 into least count. These two value it is different. So based on the question and based on the instrument. Here, so this is for one small question for understanding purpose. The wire whose thickness is to determine the place between such screw and the rotated by the thread. Let the position of the linear scale and the circular scale be as shown in the figure. So refer the diagram. 0, 1, 2 it is there. 50, 51, 50, 52. Here 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, this line 55. So this is 0, 1, 2 it is there. Now tell me ma. So this is how to measure main scale reading, circular scale reading. Circular scale reading 55. Okay, this is the formula main scale reading plus circular scale division into least count. The main scale reading 0, 1, 2. This is visible, no? 2. That is the main scale reading. Circular scale division 55. Least count 0.01. So finally you will get 2.55 mm. So this is example for zero error. Just a diagram. Extend this formula. Please note it. Okay, next one, Vernier caliper. The least count formula 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Main scale division minus Vernier scale division. MSD means main scale division minus VSD, Vernier scale division. So now we want to know about what is main scale, what is Vernier scale. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 it is no. This is main scale reading or main scale division. Inside see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That line only I'm counting. 15 it is no. This is Vernier scale division. I will place object here like a ball, pen, anything. Main scale. This is Vernier scale. So how to find the least count means the difference main scale reading minus Vernier scale reading. Okay, no need to confuse with in this area, ma. We go for next. Okay, this one we'll discuss. Second error, 0 error, positive error, negative error. 0 error means main scale and Vernier scale. That both also attaching same place. 0, 0. Main scale and Vernier scale. So it is the 0 error. Positive error means main scale it is no, main scale is inside. Vernier scale will come out. See, 1 point, that is this is 1 means 0.5. One small position it is inside. It is a positive error. So negative error means opposite. Main scale reading. This is Vernier scale reading. Remember VM. It is negative error. Vernier scale first. Main scale is second. Negative error. MV. Positive error. Main scale first, next Vernier scale. VM negative, MV positive, both also equal, M and V. It is 0 error. Draw the diagram. 0 error, diagram. Diagram enough. Akash, Aspat, are you taking notes? Tarun,
Yes, sir.
Vokalavasan.
Yes, sir.
Rakesh. Okay. The next one, positive zero error. This is main scale. This is vernier scale. The formula, the coincident division on the vernier scale into least count. See here, in this 5 place only it is coincident. So 5 into least count value 0.1. Okay, for the positive zero error. 5 into 0.1 mm. Vernier scale point and the linear scale point. Linear scale or main scale, both are the same. Same point. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Fifth point. Pi into 0.1. Next one, negative error. Draw the diagram. So this is the formation for finding the value. 10. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this 10th point of vernier scale, coincident with the main scale. So 10 minus coincident division of vernier scale into least count. This is the formula, main scale reading plus vernier scale division into least count. After that, the corrected reading, observed reading minus positive zero error, observed reading plus magnitude of negative zero error. Now you take a notes. Tomorrow class, I will show you the video. Now technical problem, I can't show the vernier caliper and screw gauge video. Tomorrow I will show you. Okay. Now everyone take a notes. And one more information, ma. In this week test portion, error analysis, another one dimension analysis. MCQ test portion, error analysis and dimension analysis. Okay, no need to refer in this topic. Only two topics only, ma. One is the error analysis, another one dimension analysis. The error analysis problem also there, concept also there. Same like the dimension analysis also. The minimum you want to refer more than 30 dimension formulas. Convert one system into another system and all the formulas. In this week test portion, again I will remember, please note it, error analysis and dimension analysis. If you have any doubt, you can ask upcoming class. Okay, see here one problem. A screw cage has a pitch of 1 mm and a 200 division on the circular scale. Is it possible to increase accuracy by increasing the number of division on the circular scale? Yes, because the least accurate measurement, the least count of screw cage formula, LC formula, pitch divided by number of division on circular scale. Okay, so 1 mm divided by 200, you will get the least count. That is a 0.02 mm. The least count inversely proportional to number of division on the circular scale. So this is the formula, no? LC equal to pitch divided by number of division on the circular scale. So LC is inversely proportional to number of division on circular scale, directly proportional to pitch. Now, the increasing number of division on the circular scale, the least count will improve because it is directly proportional. So accuracy also, it will also increase. Please note it. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow class we'll discuss related to practical oriented topic, the screw cage and the vernier caliper, and your practical syllabus also. Okay, don't miss it. Thank you.